How to fix verification code not received on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix verification code not being received on your Android device. So first thing, just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, just scroll all the way down until you see the apps application option. Just tap on this and just locate your messages application. So once you tap on this messages application, you just have to scroll down until you see the storage option. Just tap on this and just clear the cache and clear the data from over here. So once you do all of that, you may have to restart your messages application and you should be start receiving your OTP verification. But if you are still not receiving, then what you can do is just head over to your Play Store and just search in for messages application, just like this. And once you're inside here, make sure you have updated your application to its latest versions to fix the bug issues and stability improvements. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.